Okay, sir, you're going to stand close to fire?
Yeah.
All right, you lay your load and make ready and work, take a side picture and load and make ready. Okay. When I signal, you will start. Is the shooter ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Kids would come up with, you know, a way to make parts and stuff in space.
The 180, you're right close.
Oh, sorry.
Oh yeah.
You are finished, unload, and show clear. Unclear. Hammer down, full screen. Range is clear. 2331. Just watch the 180 when you come. You were like this.
Like this.
You were like this when you came over.
Oh, I was pointing this way?
No, you got to back up.
Oh.
Your gun was pointed, almost breaking the 180.
Okay.
So when you're moving from square to square,
Yeah.
you need to pull the gun in close like this and move this way.
Okay.
And even if you're going, you know,
Alpha Charlie.
you don't want to turn it. Okay, hang on a minute. Alpha Charlie. Okay. The next one.
You got that?
I'm on 2.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
Then I got 2 alpha again.
2 alpha.
You got 3 targets now, correct?
Yep.
And I got Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie. The one in the back.
What about one in the back?
Forward.
Alpha Charlie. Alpha Charlie.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
Charlie Delta.
Charlie Delta.
And that looks like 2 alpha down there.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
Last target.
Ooh.
Perforations need to 90 degree. But I can't give you a Alpha Charlie. That's what I heard.
What was it, Richard?
Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.